Hey, how's it going, guys? Welcome back to another episode of John's Crypto Therapy. I am truly happy to say that, guys, we have done it. We have made a landmark. So I just want to say, everyone that's been following me, everyone that's been learning every single thing that I've been dropping, guys, and if you guys took note, took value to everything that I've done, and you guys actually took positions and made your life even simpler, even better for the better good, I do appreciate you guys. Remember, guys, every risk that you do not take is an opportunity wasted, because remember, without risk, there's no greatness, okay? And we all want to be great, and we all have that potential of being great. So right here, we are looking at the day one chart. Like I said to you guys, I've mentioned this many times. This is not financial advice. This is my advice. So whatever you guys take, hopefully you guys do learn something. This whole thing, this project, this documentation of me trading, guys, it's for you guys to learn something very valuable, and that's how to trade, understand the markets, and become one of these bears and bulls and be a boss at it. Hopefully you guys did watch my last video. If you do, give me a thumbs up, like, comment, and subscribe, guys. I do want you guys to watch a little bit more of my stuff so you guys understand more and more every single day. I want you guys to be just like me, but even better. That's what I want you guys to do. I want you to be better than me. Reasons why: I don't want to ever tell someone that you're incapable of doing something big. Guys, be the best version of yourself, and let's get this money, okay, the right way. And we got it. Right now, we are super happy to say, Marvel and everything like that is released. So right now, guys, I am going to be jumping into David Yu's Instagram. So let's take a look what he posted, okay? So yes, we do have a drop coming up. I like the drop. It's something, that is just there for me. Personally, I do collect a lot of stuff. I do like a lot of stuff. I'm not that type that will just, push away a lot of things. I think there's a lot of value to someone else. Of course, I'll collect these type of stuff, but it's not for me in a sense that it's super hype that I want to talk about it too much. I'm not the type to just talk about little things. I want to talk about main things. That's why I want to make my content even better. Reasons why: I want you guys to just jump in and realize that I'm always going to be talking about something big, something that's going to change the market, how the market's playing now, and any news that's going to be really big enough for the market to move. So hopefully you guys do appreciate those little aspects that I'm doing for you guys. So right here, we do see that he did post something very special, and if I'm not mistaken, this is about Marvel. So let's just watch and take a moment and look at this. This is really nice, guys. The greatest story ever told. I truly do agree with this. VeVe is about to get none other than, guys, drum roll please. This is really good, guys. And honestly, with you guys, I'm gonna be real, Marvel is coming, so this is really big. Reasons why: you gotta look at the following. So I snooped around David Yu's Instagram. I see who he's following. So guys, I already knew Marvel was in the bag. So it's very simple to understand. So because of that, guys, I was trying to put out hints and stuff like that. It is somewhat of a speculation, of course, because we didn't know for sure, but there was more than ever you knew that Marvel was in the bag. So that's why throughout my journey with my thumbnails, guys, I've been trying to put Captain America, and most of all, guys, I have been putting Iron Man. If you guys do see my thumbnails, I've already put 3 Iron Man pictures in my thumbnail. So if you guys do see that, please give me a thumbs up for that, okay? But other than that, guys, I'm really proud of Ecomi itself as a team. I truly do believe that they are marketing a little bit better, especially when we look at Kiwi NFT company right here. So guys, I am going to put this link in the description below, so please go through this on your own time and understand that even whatever I say, it cannot be true sometimes. So do your own due diligence and start to do some research. Guys, research will give you some great profits if you know exactly what you're trying to look for, okay? So when we look at Marvel, it holds copyrights to over 8,000 characters, guys, 8,000 characters. And if I'm not mistaken, Disney is going to come with this, and I think they already confirmed Disney in a sense. So you guys have to already understand Disney comes with a lot of aspects, especially ABC, ESPN. If ESPN is going to come with this, guys, we are going to get more than NFL. Okay, guys, we're gonna get massive growth. And if we can somehow get soccer involved, football, just soccer all over the world, guys, I truly believe Ecomi will be a home run. This coin, if it does get soccer, if it does get Pokemon, I could truly see this skyrocketing even past 10 bucks, guys. That's how crazy and bullish I am with this project, especially with the Marvel release. Guys, Marvel is just a scratch on the iceberg, but you gotta understand, when other companies do see that Ecomi did get Marvel, guys, a lot of companies would just try to join them. Reasons why: they want to be a part of the wave. They don't want to be left behind, and that's the way this world tries to work, okay, guys? Everybody wants a piece of this pie, and trust me, Ecomi will give everyone that piece. So guys, other than that, I just want to say great job to Ecomi, all the team, and most of all the investors that are invested their hard-earned money into it. Reasons why, without you guys, I truly do not believe that this price can ever go anywhere, okay? So remember guys, the vision of Ecomi starts with themselves, but it ends with you guys, and you guys are the bigger picture. And hopefully you guys do see that your effort to making Ecomi a better picture or a better piece in this world starts with you guys. So hopefully you guys do see the bigger picture. Other than that, let's go back into the charts, guys. I want to show you guys why I was so accurate yesterday and why I did take some trades. And guess what, guys, you already know your boy over here is been in profits. And guess what, guys, I do want to share some profits with you guys, but most of all, my profits I mean by knowledge and education, because that's the way that you guys can feed yourself. So let's get into the charts, okay? So right here, guys, we are on the day chart. If I'm not mistaken, I even told you guys, wait for a breakout retest to buy if you're trading. Remember that key level and word I just said. Wait for a breakout, guys. Push to a support level, then wait for a buy location to buy. Okay guys, remember, if you're trading, that would have been the best and smart move. You do not want to buy off of this level. Reasons why, we did have a trend line that could have reversed the trade, support and resistance zone that could have dropped the price. So we got to start putting all of that into accountability. But remember guys, I told you there was a divergence that was bigger than ever. And this is why I truly do believe that these type of moments when you see huge diversions, a lot of buyers, a lot of rich millionaires and billionaires would try to flock to these levels. Reasons why, it just makes sense. And it just makes sense that Ecomi was trying to release Marvel exactly at this time, knowing that the price would skyrocket. So like I said guys, this is a game of business, structure, keys, clues. Stop playing this game thinking that there's no way you could read these charts. These charts are meant to be read, guys, and they're right in front of you. So start taking initiative and start understanding this market is yours once you're ready to obtain it. All right, so simple as it is, guys. We've seen break of structure, go to the top. I even talked to you guys about a pattern where it needed to break this previous high right here. We talked about it before, 0.0023. Right now it is at that level. So this is a day candle. It could go higher, it could go lower, and it can even close a little bit lower. It does not mean this is not true to its value. Once again guys, we do see a rejection to the upside, a doji right here pushing it down, a huge engulfing candles. Guys, count with me how much candles this thing engulfed. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 candles, guys. So this huge one-day move swallowed up 16 candles in the prior move. That is massive. So guys, we do see a push to the upside, but guys, I am gonna rain on your parade because I do see something else forming, but this could be what we need in order for us to go even higher. So pay attention here. This is another gem that I'm dropping right now. Guys, if you do like these videos, please make sure to like, comment, subscribe, guys. I'm putting my hard work, my time, and my effort to educate you guys because I want you guys to do the best you guys can. I don't want to see no one fail. This is the most important thing about what I do. I don't like to see people fail. And remember, if you do fail and you get up the next day and you motivate yourself to keep going, that's not considered failing. That's just considered getting ready and doing it again, guys. Failure is when you give up and you never go back to that same spot. Please do not be those type of people, okay guys? I want you guys to be better no matter what. Whoever you are, whoever your situation is, there's gonna be a brighter day around the corner, okay guys? Believe in that. So once again guys, we do see a huge zone. When we look left, there is structure, so I can see this price falling back to the downside. So exactly where I'm gonna see structure keep this position and hold for a stronger buy, guys, it's gonna make sense. I do want to see a buy level right here, so let me draw it out for you guys. Let me take this away actually, so it makes a little bit more room. So right here guys, when I'm looking at a structural point, I do want to see this level be a retest zone. All right, reasons why, we do have a lot of support, guys. When you look at previously, there is a lot of support. So what I want to really see, guys, is very simple. Exactly at this moment, I do want it to fall back right here, exactly at 0.0020 levels, guys. Once I see it falling there, guys, I do want it to push to the moon. If it does go lower, that's totally fine, guys. I'm totally fine with this move, okay? Once again, guys, I do want to get the fib number just to do some retracements so you guys understand what is possible with this move. So that move is around 23, close to 38.2, okay? We don't want that. I want a 50 to 61.8. So let's just say, give or take, this retracement, let's just see where it falls through. I'll look at candlestick pattern, guys, to dictate where I'm going to buy off of levels. So for me, it's totally fine. I watch the charts every other day or daily, but I only watch it once sense. Reasons why I don't force myself into the markets. The markets will give me the right opportunity, give me the keys to where I want to go, and I plug it in and I make sure the trades make sense. Okay, other than that, guys, this was the bullish trade we had. We had a divergence, guys. It was making a lower low while this was making a higher low. If you guys could not see this pattern, guys, it's very simple. I want you guys to go up here and take off your candlestick patterns from your Japanese candlesticks and bring it to a line graph. When you bring it to a line graph, look, guys, I can identify this even closer, guys. So this will give me a more accurate position where the body of the candle closes, so I get a more in justification for where I could take the trade for a stronger breach to the upside, guys. It all just makes sense. This is how life works, guys. Make sense of it. Okay, so we are going to bring it back to the Japanese candlestick. So once again, we are back in the Japanese candlestick. So this is where I do want to tell you guys there is something that is brewing. Hopefully you guys do see and take a knowledge of this. I like divergence because they make sense of something when it doesn't make sense. That's why I like it. So right here we do see that the price went higher, and we could tell this section right here, it is a higher high compared to this, right? But why is this market making a higher high than the previous market? So you can see that this is making a higher high, guys, while this move right here clearly is making a lower high. Let's identify that one more time, guys. So right here, this section right here. So guys, right here, this section compared to this section, right? And then we got this section over here, guys. We'll take the body, okay? And then we're gonna look at this section. Clearly we can see, guys, the price is doing something very different, and it's not supposed to. This is why it's called divergence, guys. It just makes sense. So look, the price is making a lower high while this price, guys, is making a higher high. Guys, this is something that I've been teaching everyone that I teach, guys. It's simple as it is. So like I said, guys, the price did go up. Does not mean it cannot go down, guys. I do see a future. If the price does go down, I could see this zone. I'm not going to take away the fact that this zone cannot be hit. Absolutely, the zone could be hit, but we got to see day by day if the structure is going to hold. Once again, this zone is pretty particular to the favor of why I'm saying it's going to be hit. Reasons why, it's because of the symmetrical triangle. The breakout zone gave me a take profit of that level. It did break out to the downside, guys, so I do want to play it out and see if that's true. Which, if it does not reach that level, guys, I'm totally fine. I'm in the money and I'm totally comfortable. But this is called a golden zone. Reasons why, this is where you can accumulate so much money, so much potential to be a millionaire, even a billionaire, guys. Whatever it's possible is possible. Start believing that, okay? So we do see that price is making a higher high. We have a divergence, guys. This divergence is going to play really well to our fact. Do I believe this divergence is bigger than this one? Absolutely not. The bottom divergence is huge compared to the one on top. Reasons why, this is oversold section. We have oversold here, guys, and we also have oversold here. That means this lower low of this move to the bottom side, it is a higher potential to the one on the upside. But the upside is going to give us a good reversal point. Why? Because at any moment, guys, this can reverse to the downside. And when it reverses, this is where we're going to take our huge buy to the upside. Do you guys see how this plays out? All makes sense. So it's like chasing an animal, guys. You're trapping it, making the animal come to you. I'm not trying to run after the animal. A lot of people try to buy it right here when you know you could buy it at a lower price that makes fundamentally more sense. Guys, if this does go to the top, totally fine. We're all in the money because I told you guys, accumulate your OMI in the very low. Don't trade it. This is more for a trading setup. Right here, guys, I look for a lower price so the market moves down to a retracement that makes sense. I get into it right away, snap it in, and guess what? Off to the races. But if it still goes lower, guys, that's totally fine. Like I said, we have a golden zone that I do see could happen, but if it doesn't happen, we're still gonna reach the moon, okay, guys? We need to play this move the right way. So what I like to see, guys, right here is the bigger picture, so it's not overbought at any choice. So guys, also remember this 50 zone is right here, so if it does cross the upside, it does look like it has a potential of going up. But even if it goes up, guys, I truly believe it needs a little pullback because this is such a strong move that it needs to breathe, guys. It's simple as it is. Nothing could go up all the time. It needs to breathe before it goes back up again, okay? So once again, we are on the day chart. This is a huge picture, guys, but I'm gonna move to the 4-hour chart to show you why there's a great potential for it to pull down to the downside, then buy at that level. So exactly this move, guys, at a 4-hour time frame, I'm gonna switch it for you right now. At a 4-hour time frame, guys, when we look at this move, exactly the same move, guys, at a 4-hour time frame, you can clearly tell it is overbought. This exact position is overbought, guys. So I wouldn't be surprised if this becomes a red doji or a doji of any sense, guys. Look right here, if this becomes a doji, if that becomes a doji, guys, and follows it by a red bearish candle, we do see some pullback to the downside. This is a great zone where we see a bearish move to the upside. We can get into a retracement and push and ride the wave up. Like I said, guys, if you do love my content, hopefully you guys do, can like my videos, support me as much as you guys can. I'll do the best I can and I'll support you guys. I'll try to bring out as much videos as I can because I really do want to educate you guys and make you guys even better traders than you guys ever expected. Remember, guys, any comments in the bottom below, if it's dealing with money or someone saying, hey, you want free training or anything of that nature, I will never go on that way, guys, to ask for any money. So if that is a random person trying to be who I am, please do not accept anything, guys. Do I even offer paid items? No, I do not. Everything that I do, guys, is free. It's from the heart. Hopefully you guys enjoy this video, and remember, guys, price action will show you everything. Other than that, guys, be proud, be happy that you invested in a token that has a great potential to make you a millionaire. Other than that, take it easy. John out. Peace.